Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a video on this hair that I got from the beauty supply store. The girls aren't doing this anymore. The girls aren't doing half up, half down. Okay guys, so this hair is called Aqua Tress and you can get it from, it should be any beauty supply store, and I got it in 12, 14, 16. It came in one package and it was 3 bundles. I didn't even use all of the bundles, so I think it was a pretty good price for $80. And what I'm basically doing is I'm making a half wig. And if you guys want to know how I make that, just let me know and I'll make a detailed video on how I made it. But please enjoy the video and enjoy this look. Okay, so to style the front of my head, I went ahead and blow dried it and I lightly pressed the front because I did want it to give it a slick look to make sure that all of my hair blended. And then I did a rubber band style. If you just watch, you can replicate it as well. It's super easy and super simple. Now that I finished creating my rubber band look, I'm just going to go ahead and braid the rest of the hair that's left out and then twist it at the front, and that will be my ponytail. Using my conditioner and water mixture. You can use any conditioner you like, and I'm just going to go ahead and dampen the hair just to make those curls pop. Okay guys, I just wanted to show you guys the difference between how it came out the pack and how it's looking. It's wet, it isn't even dry yet. It feels really soft, really good. I'm liking it. I'm gonna go ahead and add my herbal essence, mango aloe, just to, you know, give a little smell, a little cute smell when I walk by. You guys, I am living for this hair right now. Like, are you kidding me? From the beauty supply store? This hair is it for me. It is it. It's doing all the things I need it to do. I love how it curled up, and these curls are to die for. And look how soft it is. We are taking it way back. No lace front, no none of that. We having our forehead out, everything. Okay, hey guys, I'm recording on my phone. I just wanted to show you guys how the hair was looking the next day when it's fully dried in the sunlight. Girl, this hair is so freaking nice. And for it to be like beauty supply store hair, are you kidding me?